At 9 years old, my parents sent me to Camp Hemshekh. It was in 1959. So I was born in 49, so no, I lied. It was when I was 10 years old. And I turned 10 in camp. Um, that Camp Hemshekh was founded in 1959 by Bundist survivors of the war. A number of them were ghetto heroes. A number of them were partisans. All of them had been in some way in the resistance in the war, and they were amazingly courageous and devoted human beings, devoted to the Jewish people, devoted to the Bund, devoted to socialism, and very much devoted to Yiddish, to having Yiddish survive. And the camp's name, Hemshekh, means continuation. And this is what the goal was. And our community at first was, a large percentage were children of the founders and their community and friends, like my community. We had a large contingent from Montreal. Our head counselor the first year was George Lermer, whose father, Arthur Lermer, was on the coordinating committee of the Bund, and a very respected professor and writer and Yiddish intellectual. So, you know, just the list of people and connections. My counselor was somebody named Gabby Frischdorf, whose mother, Hannah Frischdorf, was the director almost, or the assistant director of YIVO for many, many years after I came to New York and before I came to New York. And her husband, Gavriel Frischdorf, for whom Gabby was named, was one of the leaders of the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising. And Gabby was named for his father because he was born after his father was martyred in the uprising. And there were many more examples of this connection, of this deep connection to the Warsaw Ghetto Uprising, to the partisans of Vilna. Shimka Polewski, who was a partisan, was on our camp committee, and his children, Elliot and Moishe, were part of our community of kids. Moishe was in my bunk, and so we grew up as more than friends. Our community was a community of brothers and sisters, and it was a pretty intense experience. Now, and not to say that any of it was maudlin or morbid. We had the best time, and we were the most irreverent children at 10, or at all ages. The counselors were, and the humor there was dark, but not. I wouldn't even say dark as the first word. The humor was sophisticated. It was intense, and humor was at the heart of what made us love each other and enjoy our summers and our camaraderie.